Hey there, I'm Adam, and you're watching my renovation on Iris Street. About the only noteworthy thing that happens this week is my new dining room table gets delivered, so let's check out week 159. On Wednesday, my dining room table arrived via freight delivery. It was raining outside, so I brought it in straight away. After some consideration, I decided to buy a transformer table. This unit can squish down to a table for 2 and expand all the way out to seat up to 10 people. I bought the configuration with 4 chairs and a collapsible bench. Hopefully it's a good table, but at the least, it will allow for flexible seating in this space. On Thursday, I didn't do any new work, but here's a few more shots of the new transformer table in the dining room. On Saturday, I'm heading out to Sterling to visit my sister and my nieces, so before I go, here's a quick view of the house as it stands. It's a bit messy, but it's slowly coming together. Since I'm still in Sterling on Sunday, I head out to the Sterling Reservoir to run around the water. I'll take running on a trail over running on the road any day, and the reservoir ended up being pretty peaceful today with virtually no people out and about. Well, guys, we're definitely into the winter season of running. It's actually a pretty nice day out here in Sterling. And look how peaceful it is. It makes me think that the next house should be out here somewhere far from people. That's a wrap for week 159. Thanks for watching, and with any luck, I'll be back to regular work next week. Until then, happy renovating.